Buongiorno paisani. I want to share a neat trick with you that I picked up from my mom. Now, I have a TV in the kitchen, which comes with a remote, of course. And being in the kitchen, there's always food and drinks getting spilled, and our hands are dirty because we're eating and we're touching food. And so I picked up this neat trick. I saran wrap my remote. It keeps it clean. It keeps the food from getting into the buttons, and it doesn't get sticky. And once in a while, you just change the saran wrap, and you're good to go. And your remote stays clean and protected. So this is a neat trick I picked up from my mom. It's very simple to do. Now, if you have a TV in your kitchen and you have remote problems to keep it clean, or if you do this, if you know about this trick, please comment below, let me know, and you know what? Send me a few pictures of your remote. So this is mine. So I taped the saran wrap. I put the scotch tape at the back to keep it together. Once in a while, I just change it. So yeah, it keeps the remote clean and safe. So that's a neat trick I want to share with you. Come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.